Hi guys, so today we are playing Word Bomb, and I actually like this game because it has made my typing a lot faster. It used to be pretty slow, but I've definitely gotten a lot faster. So yeah, I have won one round so far since I joined, and it is pretty easy unless you get a hard thing. So still on my screen recording app. Need to stay on this app. So yeah. This is kind of heartwarming. Heartwhelming. As you can see, these two people have already gotten out. And this round has only started for a little bit. So, yeah. I try to type the shortest words I can so that I can get it over with and not lose. But it's not really about winning. It's really about what words you can get in and what words you cannot. So you can learn. I am currently typing in 3-letter words, so I'm not just trying very hard, but it is easy, very easy actually. Wow, a lot of people are joining the game. This is not good. Joined. All this is gonna get crowded. Look at all these people that joined the game. Okay, that's pretty easy. XO is a word. Okay. Anyway, I think it's itching. Lie. Lie. Okay, yep, yeah, poor thing.
Lie.
I'm playing a game, Daddy. Okay, this is. Okay, I'm starting. My laptop's starting to die. Oopsies. Is Liz? Oh no, I didn't know Liz was a word. So many words, so many things I don't even think they're a word. So I did. I guess I can do that. Oh no. Auntie. Oofy. Okay, there we go. Now my laptop's not gonna die. What fingers do y'all type with? Do y'all type with the home keys or do you type with your 2 fingers? With your index fingers? Tell me in the comments below. Run. Run. You're close. Run. Okay. I was gonna put last, but I guess that. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, I'm up next. Come on, NASA. Okay. Everyone except for Morky Porky is on 1 heart, and me. So kind of getting competitive. It's the death bomb. Ooh, no. This is not good. Woo! But hut. Night. No, it's not easy. Alright, we're getting intense. We're getting intense. Okay, that's easy. Eat. Okay, yeah, she did eating. Vent. Mess. Okay. Oh no, I want to one heart. Why am I on one heart? What? I put in mess. Bye. No, I died. Darn it. I could have got it if I had 2 hearts. If it take away that 1 heart that I didn't lose. So, you know. But that's okay. We be a good sport and we keep playing. A round usually lasts around 5 or 6 minutes, so it usually takes a little while, but I'm not having a very good luck. So Morky Porky, of course, won. I really wanted a new border, but you know. Morky Porky, Morky Porky, Morky Morky, Morky Porky, Morky. Right, I'm right here, yay. Well, I'm very sick right now. Oh my god, this girl right here, Anika, foot fart. You can't see it, but she's in danger. Everyone else is fine. List. Frick. Bats. Bats. Okay, that worked. Oh god. I don't even know what YC would. I don't even think there's a word with YC. Oh, daycare. Oh, yeah, daycare. Daycare. Come on, woman. Daycare. Daycare. Ill is a word itself, so. Oh, yep, nope. Huh? Alright, let's see here. Alright, I'm not opening it yet. Tin. Cast. Okay, everyone is on 1 heart except for Poppies, the Morky Porky, and Zoomy, Knee, and me. So these 2 people are having a big chance of. She's gonna die. Oh, she didn't die. Okay. Oh, reincarnate. Darn, there's some good people here. Oh my. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Oh my god. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. If you say it loud enough, it might sound a bit ferocious. you think's gonna win? Entitlement? Okay, Zumini. I think you're gonna die. You're gonna die. I am so sorry. Sad. Crying. Okay. I get the move. Come on, hurry up, Zumiki. You don't want to die. Fad. Additional is fizz list. Okay, that worked. Scary. Cradles. Okay. We're all at 2 hearts. I don't know what's happening right now. We're all on 2 hearts. Oh, Morky. Tie. Yes, I did it. All right, poor Morky. Lab. Okay, yeah. Mims? Limbs? No! 1 heart, and he's really good. Fine. Okay. Oh. Out. Line. Oh no! I was gonna do line, the other line, like lining. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.